7 rules for glass skin after 40. No products required. What if I told you glass skin has nothing to do with your budget or how many serums you own? It's about 7 non-negotiable rules that cost nothing. But most women don't know them. By following these rules, you can transform your skin from dull to glass-like in days, not months. Stick around to the end, and I'll reveal a bonus tip that most people miss. The skincare mistakes that could be ruining your glow right now. This is for you if your skincare routine feels like a part-time job with no results, you've spent thousands on creams that made your skin worse, and you're tired of feeling like aging means losing your radiance. Let's be real, the beauty industry overcomplicates skincare. They want you to believe you need 10 products, laser treatments, or a miracle cream. But here's the truth. Glowing skin is simpler than you think. If you know these 7 rules are the foundation of every glowing complexion I've ever seen. Let's start. Rule 1. Hydration. Glass skin starts from within. Dehydrated skin looks dull and flaky and ages you faster. But here's the fix. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to flush out toxins and plump your skin. Add a pinch of Himalayan salt to your water to boost electrolytes. You can also add skin-loving ingredients to your water, such as cucumber, which reduces skin's puffiness, lemon, which brightens the skin with vitamin C, mint aids digestion, yes, gut health affects your skin, and here's a pro tip, carry a 1-liter bottle and refill it twice. No excuses. In just 3 days, you'll notice your skin feels bouncier and looks lit from within. Rule number 2, double cleansing. Do you know Korean skincare's best kept secret? It's double cleansing. Why? Because makeup, sunscreen, and pollution create a layer of grime that clogs pores and dulls your glow. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Massage an oil-based cleanser into dry skin to dissolve makeup and sebum. Make sure you use a gentle circular motion. It's like a mini facial. Step 2, choose a gentle pH-balanced water-based cleanser formula to remove impurities without stripping moisture. And if you wear heavy makeup, try a balm cleanser. They're less messy than oils. And by the way, don't wash your face with hot water. It's aging you. Use lukewarm instead. Rule number 3, exfoliation. Exfoliation is a savior for dull and rough skin, if done right. Skip harsh scrubs as they can cause micro tears, and opt for chemical exfoliants. AHAs like glycolic acid dissolve dead skin cells. BHAs like salicylic acid penetrate pores to prevent breakouts. And if your skin is sensitive, use a PHA exfoliant once per week. It's gentler than AHAs and BHAs. So, how to use them? Apply to dry skin, leave for 5 minutes, and then rinse. Use a hydrating serum to avoid dryness. Start with a low concentration, 5%, to avoid irritation. Do this routine 2 to 3 times a week at night. Rule number 4, layering your skincare. Achieving glass skin isn't just trends, it's science. The more hydrated your skin is, the more it will glow from the inside. Instead of heavy products, layer lightweight products for deep hydration. Number 1, a hydrating toner. Prep your skin with ingredients like snail mucin or hyaluronic acid. Number 2, essence. Lock in moisture with a watery formula. And number 3, serum. Target concerns with niacinamide for brightening or peptides for anti-aging. Then moisturizer. Seal it all in with a gel cream for oily skin or a rich cream for dry skin. Make sure to apply moisturizer on damp skin after washing within 30 seconds. Damp skin absorbs moisturizer 10 times better. By doing this, your skin will look plump and translucent. Rule number 5, sunscreen. Want to undo all your progress? Skip sunscreen. UV rays cause 90% of premature aging, dark spots, wrinkles, and sagging. Here's how to stay protected. Use SPF 50 plus broad spectrum sunscreen every morning, even indoors. Reapply every 2 hours if you're outside. Try a dewy finish sunscreen for that glass skin glow. I love Beauty of Josian. Apply sunscreen after moisturizer, but before makeup. Rule number 6, DIY face mask. Skip the $50 sheet masks. This DIY recipe costs pennies and works wonders. Rice water and honey brightening mask. Soak half a cup of rice in water for 30 minutes, then strain it. Mix 2 tablespoons of rice water with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Apply for 15 minutes, rinse, and you'll be amazed at your lit from within glow. Why it works? Rice water contains ferulic acid to brighten. Honey is antibacterial and hydrating. And the most amazing part, you can use leftover rice water as a toner. Rule number 7, beauty sleep. Your skin repairs itself at night. Don't waste it. Here's your ideal nighttime ritual. 1, use a silk pillowcase as it reduces friction. No more sleep wrinkles. Number 2, sleep on your back to avoid creases. Number 3, apply a hydrating overnight mask, like Laneige water sleeping mask. Number 4, invest in a good humidifier to add moisture to the air for extra plumpness. And number 5, aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Your skin produces collagen and heals damage during sleep. And if you're looking for an optimized bedtime routine, check out my video, 3 tips to optimize your bedtime routine, for a detailed guide. And there you have it. By following these 7 rules, within a week, you'll wake up to skin that looks filtered. Now, as promised, here's the bonus tip. Avoid these skin-damaging habits. 1, stop touching your face. Hands transfer bacteria. Number 2, clean your phone screen. It's dirtier than a toilet seat, so wipe it daily. And number 3, limit dairy and sugar. They spike inflammation, leading to acne and redness. Swap dairy milk for oat milk and sugar for raw honey. Fix these, and your glass skin will last beyond the 7 days. Remember, consistency is key. Which tip are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And if you're serious about your skin, click on your screen right now to watch my next video, Why Your Skin Gets Sensitive After 40. Trust me, the reason will shock you. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.